Hola de nada everyone. Hello, welcome everyone. Yo soy Shivani. I'm Shivani. Estoy aquí para enseñarte español. I'm here to teach you Spanish. In today's video tutorial, you can learn some new phrases like I'm hot, I'm cold, I'm hot, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm afraid, I'm sleepy in Spanish. And in these phrases, you can see how can we use tango to describe I'm cold in Spanish. And you can also see how tenor is used in different Spanish expressions, and you can learn some new words like adult, responsible, really, long in Spanish. And you can also learn some new sentences how can in which you can learn how can we use that phrases in that sentences. And let's start today's video. If you really learn something from my videos, please like, share and comment on Language for All channels, and please subscribe to my channels. So let's start today's lecture. So our first phrase coming to you is tengo frío. Tengo frío means I'm cold in Spanish. We have frío means cold in Spanish. Calor means hot in Spanish. Hambre means hungry in Spanish. Sad means thirsty in Spanish. Miedo means afraid in Spanish. And sueño means sleep in Spanish. Frío means cold. Calor means hot. Hambre means hungry. Sad means thirsty. Miedo means afraid. And sueño means sleepy. And we use tengo with them to tell I'm cold, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm hot, etc. So tango is used with frio, calor, hambre, sad, miedo, and sueño to describe I'm cold, I'm hot, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm afraid, and I'm sleepy. So tango frio means I'm cold, tango calor means I'm hot, tango hambre means I'm hungry, tango sad means I'm thirsty, tango miedo means I'm afraid, and tango sueño means I am sleepy. And tenor is also used in a lot of Spanish expression like tengo puesto en abrigo. It means I have on a coat. Where tengo puesto means have on in Spanish. If you can see, you can say I have on something. We use tengo puesto phrase on that. So tengo puesto means have on in Spanish, and tengo puesto en abrigo means I have on a coat. Where abrigo means coat in Spanish. Our next sentence is tengo ganas de bailar. It means I feel like Spanish. And guys, feel like means tengo ganas in Spanish. And tengo ganas is a phrase used for to describe the feel like in Spanish. If we want to say I feel like music, I feel like listening to music, I feel like singing, etc. So we use tengo ganas in that sentences. So tengo ganas de bailar means I feel like dancing, where bailar means dancing in Spanish. Guys, I'm now giving you some new words in Spanish. Our first word coming to you is adult. Adult means adultos. Adult means adultos in Spanish. Our next word is how old. How old is known as cuantos años and qué edad in Spanish. Guys, there are two words for how old in Spanish. Cuantos años and qué edad. Both means how old in Spanish. Where cuantos means how and años means old. So años is a word used to describe the age in Spanish, and años means years old, and we use tiene in cuantos años to describe the age in Spanish. Guys, in English we say I am 13-year-old, but in Spanish we always use tiene to describe the age in Spanish, just like yo tengo 13 años. It means I am 13-year-old. So in Spanish we use tiene with años to describe the age in Spanish. You can see this in my sentences. So how old means cuántos años, or qué edad means qué edad, and responsible means responsibles. Responsible means responsables. Responsibles means responsible in Spanish. Long means largo in Spanish. Long means largo. Largo means long in Spanish. Hazón means tiene puesto in Spanish. Really means mucho. And serio and realmente. Really means mucho, and serio or realmente in Spanish. Sueño means sleepy, tired, or dream in Spanish. Feel like means tengo ganas in Spanish. De verdad means really in Spanish. If you see de verdad in any Spanish sentence, it means really. De verdad means really in Spanish. De verdad means really in Spanish. Animals means animal. Animal means animal in Spanish. Animal means animal in Spanish. Guys, I'm now giving you some sentences related to that phrases and that words. So you can learn how can we use that phrases and words into the sentences. So let's start. Our first sentence coming to you is many adults here are young. Many adults here are young means muchos adultos aquí son jóvenes. Guys, young means jóvenes in Spanish. Guys, you already know J is pronounced as H in Spanish. It is pronounced as jóvenes. So young means jóvenes in Spanish. Here means aquí. Adult means adultos. Many means muchos. So muchos adultos aquí son jóvenes means many adults here are young. Our next sentence is las señoritas. Las señorita means the ladies in Spanish. Las señoritas means the ladies in Spanish. No tienes 21. Not 20 years old. Veinte means 20 in Spanish. Años means year old. And you can see we use tienen in Spanish to describe the age in Spanish. Just like in English we say the ladies are not 20 years old. And in Spanish we say las señoritas no tienen 20 años. And guys, here we use tienen to describe the age in Spanish. So tienen is used to describe age in Spanish. So the ladies are not 20 years old means las señoritas no tienen 20 años. Our next sentence is cuántos años tienen tú. Cuántos años tienes tú means how old are you. Cuántos años tienes tú means how old are you. Our next sentence is cuántos años tiene la niña. La niña means the girl in Spanish. La niña means the girl in Spanish. So cuántos años tiene la niña means how old is the girl. Our next sentence coming to you is he is drinking wine because he is 21 years old. Él bebe vino porque tiene 21 años. 21 means 21 in Spanish. Años means year old. And porque means because in Spanish. Drinking means bebe. Wine means vino. Él means he in Spanish. He means él in Spanish. So, él bebe vino porque tiene 21 años. It means he is drinking wine because he is 21 years old. Our next sentence is how old are the young ladies? ¿Cuántos años tienen las señoritas jóvenes? ¿Cuántos años tienen las señoritas jóvenes? It means how old are the young ladies. Our next sentence is yo quisiera tener 21 años. I would like to be 21 years old. Guys, quisiera means I would like in Spanish. So if we want to say something in a polite way, we use quisiera here. Quisiera is used in Spanish to say someone in a polite way. So quisiera means I would like in Spanish. So yo quisiera tener 21 años. It means I would like to be 21 years old. Our next sentence is adults are responsible. Adults are responsible means los adultos son responsables. Los adultos son responsables. Adults are responsible means los adultos son responsables. Our next sentence is I'm drinking a lot of juice because I'm thirsty. I'm drinking a lot of juice because I'm thirsty means bebo muchos jugos porque tengo sed. Jugos means juice in Spanish and tengo sed means I'm thirsty. I already tell you I'm thirsty means tengo sed in Spanish. So tengo sed is a phrase used for I'm thirsty in Spanish. So I'm drinking means bebo in Spanish, a lot of means muchos, juice means jugos, porque means because, and I'm thirsty means tengo sed. So I'm drinking a lot of juice because I am thirsty. It means bebo muchos jugos porque tengo sed. Our next word is sentences no quiero pizza porque no tengo hambre. So no tengo hambre is a phrase used for I am not hungry. No tengo hambre means I am not hungry. So quiero means I don't want pizza. No quiero means I don't want. Pizza means pizza in Spanish. Porque means because. So no quiero pizza porque no tengo hambre. It means I don't want pizza because I am not hungry. Our next sentence is the dog is thirsty. El perro tiene sed. The dog is thirsty. El perro tiene sed. Thirsty means sad in Spanish. So is thirsty means tiene sed. The dog means el perro. The dog means el perro in Spanish. So the dog is thirsty means el perro tiene sed. Our next sentence is we are always hungry. We are always hungry means nosotros tenemos siempre hambre. Guys, always means siempre in Spanish, and we are means nosotros. So we are means nosotros in Spanish, and tenemos is used for as a phrase to describe hungry in Spanish. So we are always hungry means nosotros tenemos siempre hambre. Our next sentence is we have 3 long dresses. We have 3 long dresses means tenemos 3 vestidos largos. So we have means tenemos in Spanish, 3 means 3 in Spanish, 3 means 3 in Spanish, long means largos, and dresses means vestidos in Spanish. So tenemos 3 vestidos largos. Tenemos 3 vestidos largos means we have 3 long dress. Tenemos 3 vestidos largos means we have 3 long dress. Our next sentence is she has 2 long skirts. She has 2 long skirts means ella tiene 2 faldas largas. Where skirts means faldas in Spanish and long means largas. 2 means 2 in Spanish. Ella tiene means she has. Double L is pronounced as J in Spanish, so it is pronounced as ella. Ella means she and has means tiene. So she has 2 long dresses. Skirts means she has 2 long skirts means ella tiene 2 faldas largas. Our next sentence is I don't need my coat because I am hot. I am hot means tengo calor in Spanish. I don't need means no necesito. My coat means mi abrigo. So I don't need my coat because I am hot. No necesito mi abrigo porque tengo calor. No necesito mi abrigo porque tengo calor means I don't need my coat because I am hot. Our next sentence is I am not cold. No tengo frío. No tengo frío means I am not cold with my long dress con mi falda larga. Where with means con in Spanish, my long skirt means mi falda larga. So I'm not cold with my long skirt means no tengo frío con mi falda larga.